the number of nearest neighbors and next to nearest neighbors of Na plus ion in a crystal of NaCl respectively. Number of nearest neighbors and next to nearest neighbors of Na plus in a crystal of NaCl. Now when you see the crystal of NaCl, so diagram, the rough diagram I am drawing here to understand. So basically the structure will be cubic form. They are asking us about NaCl, about Na. How many atoms are there? How many Cl minus ions are there? Means neighbors and the next nearest neighbors. So now, so when you take here, say Na plus ion. So one will be here, Cl minus ion here. Here Cl minus ion means this will be here Na plus ion. This will be again Cl minus ion. This will be again Na plus ion. It comes in that way now. And so on and so forth we have. So now from here to here, this distance, if you take it as A by 2, because this is edge for us now. A, this will be A by 2. A by 2. And from here to here now, if you take this particular thing, this distance if you take now, this distance, that will be actually diagonal only. A root 2 by 2 will come from here to here, this distance. This will be A root 2 by 2. Now here we have Na plus, this will be again Cl minus then now. Now when you take this distance here, this distance now, this will be A root 3 by 2. So first neighbor at A by 2 distance. Second neighbor A root 2 by 2 distance. Third neighbor A root 3 by 2 distance we have now. So A by 2, first neighbor. Second neighbor A root 2 by 2. Third neighbor A root 3 by 2 we have. But question is only first neighbor, second neighbor. So if you take Na here, this is the first neighbor, Cl minus ion you have now. Then A root 2 by 2, this one now. This one. This will be Na plus ion now. And corner is again Cl minus ion now. That will be coming under third neighbor. Question is only two neighbors. First neighbors and second neighbors we have now. So therefore, first neighbors will be 6 Cl minus ions. You have to consider all directions now. 6 Cl minus ions are there, first neighbors. Second neighbors means we have to see the edge centers. These edge centers we have to see now. Second neighbors now. Number of edges are 12. Altogether you are going to get 12 edges now. Therefore you are going to get there 12 second neighbors. Means we have 6 Cl minus ions and 12 Na plus ions are there.